Talk about this one.
What about the catalyst? Is the catalyst?
Wow, yes. This is what called the caliper. As you talk again, caliper. You work from the brake. You make the brake stand. When the thing is weak, make the brake weak. Don't let it be down. This is the shock absorber. You make your car bounce anywhere you are on speed or you are okay. This is the brake pad. A simple brake pad. Original brake pad so far.
So how far with the engine? Did the engine contains enough fire?
Wow, the engine contains enough to fire well, but it works with the gear, and the gear is not okay. You need to fix it in order. This is what called the shaft.
So it turns the engine right.
Wow, yes. Yes, it turns the engine, make it right. We need to work on the shaft. We need to work on the tie rod. This is what called the tie rod. It makes things okay. It makes things well.
What makes the leg to move?
What makes the leg to move well is the shaft. And the shaft cooperate with the engine to sound well some other time.
Okay, sorry. Does this pilot have propeller?
No. Some pilot have propellers, some pilot not have propeller.
Wow.
But this is actually won't have propeller.
Okay.
Wow.
But the catalyst is in contact. It's okay.
Why? The catalyst is okay.
But how many ports does it have?
No, they have
catalyst.
You have 3 ports.
3 ports.
3 ports.
Okay, 2 at the middle, 1 at the FO.
No, 1 in the middle, 2 at the front.
Okay.
Wow. As man, we don't drop everything. We are trying to complete this with the wire for the kick. We will make everything be alright. Take care of it.
From the kick to battery, right?
For the side mirror, for the everything interior.
But this pilot will cost like how much?
This car we talk about 90 million naira.
Wow.
So if the side mirror is bad, how much does it cost?
The side mirror is 26,000
for the set, right?
for the set.
Okay, 2.
For the 2. And the door opening. This is what called the door opener.
What opens the door?
What